Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your go-to spot for high-performance machines, cutting-edge designs, and the stories behind the world's most iconic cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases from BMW, the all-new 2026 BMW X8. And let me tell you, this beast isn't just another SUV, it's a bold statement from BMW, redefining what luxury and performance mean in the modern era. Right off the bat, the X8 doesn't try to blend in. It's big, it's aggressive, and it turns heads wherever it goes. With a design that's more coupe-inspired than traditional SUV, the roofline swoops down into a muscular rear, giving it a dynamic, fastback look that screams performance. The signature kidney grills are wider and more pronounced, flanked by ultra-slim laser headlights that cut through the night like blades. It's futuristic, it's fierce, and it's unmistakably BMW. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X8 doesn't disappoint. Depending on the trim, you're looking at a twin-turbocharged V8 pushing over 700 horsepower in the top-tier X8 Temp version, a number that puts it squarely in super SUV territory. This power is paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 time in just around 3.5 seconds. That's right, this full-sized luxury SUV moves like a sports car. BMW has also worked some serious magic with chassis dynamics, offering rear-wheel steering, adaptive suspension, and active roll stabilization, making the X8 feel nimble in corners while still being rock-solid on the highway. Inside, the X8 is pure opulence. The cabin is a mix of the finest materials, think merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and crystal gear shifters. BMW's latest iDrive 9 system dominates the dash with a massive curved display that integrates both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment. It's sleek, intuitive, and packed with features, including voice commands, gesture controls, and over-the-air updates. Rear passengers aren't left out either. They get heated and ventilated seats, individual touchscreens, and optional executive seating that rivals first-class airline comfort. The X8 also doubles down on innovation and sustainability. It features a 48-volt mild hybrid system for improved efficiency and lower emissions, while offering plug-in hybrid options for those looking to go greener without sacrificing performance. Advanced driver assistance systems come standard, including autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, and a new AI-based parking assistant that can memorize and replicate complex parking maneuvers. In a world where luxury SUVs are everywhere, the 2026 BMW X8 dares to go further. It's not just a step up from the X7, it's a whole new breed. Whether you're in it for the power, the prestige, or the presence, the X8 delivers on all fronts. This is BMW's vision of the future, and it's rolling in fast. Thanks for tuning into Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world's most legendary rides.